Tap the search button. Then tap the search bar. Type Trust Wallet in the search bar and tap Search. Open the highlighted Trust Wallet app. Tap the Get button to download and install Trust Wallet. Wait for the installation to complete. Open the app. Tap Create New Wallet. Set a password for your wallet. Enable biometric security. Tap Skip. I'll do it later. Tap Skip to continue. Tap Main Wallet to view your wallet details. Tap Backup manually to continue. We'll use the manual backup option. Tap Backup now. Check both boxes and tap Continue. Keep this code safe. If you lose it, you lose your wallet. Backup completed. Tap Save to finish. Your wallet is now secure. You can close this screen. To add your token, tap the Manage Crypto button. Tap the plus icon at the top right. Tap on Bitcoin under the Network section. Select the BNB Smart Chain Network. Paste the contract address found in the video description here. If the token details appear, everything's fine. Tap Import to add the token. Your Aysma token is now ready in your wallet. You can safely store it and make transactions easily. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and support us. Turn on notifications for more tutorials.
Aysma Finance, the future of finance is with you.